In today's fast-paced world, having the right kitchen tools can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the ability to blend, whisk, and create with ease is. This Vitamix Immersion Blender 3-piece set offers just that. A powerful, versatile, and convenient solution for all your blending needs. Known for its high-performance blenders, Vitamix has brought its legendary power to a handheld device, making it easier than ever to achieve perfect textures and consistent results. In this review, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and reasons why this immersion blender could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. At the heart of the Vitamix Immersion Blender is its 625-watt motor, a powerhouse that sets it apart from many other hand blenders on the market. This motor is designed to handle even the toughest ingredients, from fibrous vegetables to dense nuts, ensuring smooth and consistent blends every time. The power of the motor allows you to tackle a wide range of recipes with ease, from creamy soups and smoothies to chunky salsas and dips. What makes this motor truly exceptional is its ability to maintain consistent speed and power, even when blending large quantities or tough ingredients. This ensures that your recipes turn out exactly as you envision them, without the frustration of uneven textures or partially blended ingredients. Whether you're blending a single-serving smoothie or a large batch of soup, the Vitamix Immersion Blender delivers the power you need. One of the key selling points of the Vitamix Immersion Blender 3-piece set is its versatility, thanks to the included attachments. This set comes with a whisk attachment and a convenient storage case, expanding the blender's capabilities beyond just blending. 1. Whisk attachment. Perfect for whipping cream, beating eggs, or creating fluffy meringues, this attachment adds even more functionality to your blender. It's a great tool for those who love to bake or prepare desserts, making it easier to achieve light, airy textures. 2. Storage case. The included storage case is a thoughtful addition that keeps your blender and attachments organized and protected when not in use. It's a simple but effective solution to keep your kitchen clutter-free and your tools in top condition. These attachments make the Vitamix Immersion Blender more than just a blender. It's a multifunctional tool that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks, reducing the need for multiple appliances and saving valuable counter space. Achieving the perfect texture is crucial in cooking, and the Vitamix Immersion Blender makes it easy with its 5-speed control. Whether you're blending, pureeing, or emulsifying, you can easily adjust the speed to suit your needs. The speed control is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to increase or decrease the blending power with a simple turn of the dial. The 4-pronged blade is another standout feature. This blade design ensures that all ingredients are thoroughly blended, without leaving any chunks or inconsistencies. The blades are sharp and durable, capable of handling everything from soft fruits to tough vegetables and nuts. This precision allows you to create a wide range of textures, from silky smooth to delightfully chunky, depending on your preference. Cooking often requires multitasking, and the Vitamix Immersion Blender is designed with this in mind. Its ergonomic design allows for one-handed operation, giving you the freedom to add ingredients, stir, or manage other tasks while you blend. This feature is particularly useful when preparing complex recipes that require constant attention and multiple steps. The blender is also designed for both right-handed and left-handed users, ensuring comfortable and easy operation for everyone. The handle is well-balanced and features a non-slip grip, so you can blend with confidence, even if your hands are wet or greasy. One of the most convenient aspects of the Vitamix Immersion Blender is its ability to blend directly in any container with a 3-inch wide or larger opening. Whether you're using a smoothie cup, a mixing bowl, or a wide-mouth mason jar, this blender adapts to your needs. This flexibility saves time and reduces the number of dishes you need to clean, making your cooking experience more efficient. The ability to blend in different containers also means you can prepare and store your creations in the same vessel, which is perfect for meal prepping or serving dishes directly from the container. This feature adds a level of convenience that's hard to beat, making the Vitamix Immersion Blender a truly versatile kitchen tool. Vitamix is known for its high-quality products, and the Immersion Blender is no exception. From the powerful motor to the stainless steel blades, every component of this blender is designed with durability in mind. This ensures that your blender will withstand regular use and continue to perform at a high level for years to come. The materials used in the construction of the blender are top-notch, with a focus on both durability and safety. The stainless steel blades are resistant to rust and corrosion, while the motor is built to handle continuous use without overheating. This commitment to quality is what makes Vitamix products a favorite among professional chefs and home cooks alike. When you invest in a Vitamix product, you're not just buying a kitchen appliance, you're getting the backing of a company known for its excellent customer service and support. The Vitamix Immersion Blender comes with a generous warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. If you ever encounter issues with your blender, Vitamix's customer service team is ready to assist with troubleshooting, repairs, or replacements. This level of support adds significant value to your purchase, ensuring that you can continue to enjoy the benefits of your blender without worry. The Vitamix Immersion Blender 3-piece set is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile, powerful, and reliable hand blender. Whether you're a busy parent preparing meals for your family, a health enthusiast making daily smoothies, or a home cook experimenting with new recipes, this blender has the features and power to meet your needs. It's also a great option for those who value quality and durability in their kitchen tools. With its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design, the Vitamix Immersion Blender offers exceptional value for money, making it a worthwhile investment for any kitchen. In conclusion, the Vitamix Immersion Blender 3-piece set is a standout product in the world of hand blenders. It combines power, precision, and versatility in a sleek and user-friendly package, making it an invaluable tool for any kitchen. Whether you're blending smoothies, pureeing soups, whisking eggs, or creating sauces, this blender has the power and features to handle it all. The thoughtful design, including the 5-speed control, 4-pronged blade, and ergonomic handle, ensures that you can achieve perfect results every time with minimal effort. The added convenience of the whisk attachment and storage case further enhances the value of this set, making it a comprehensive solution for your blending needs. If you're looking for a hand blender that offers professional-grade performance in a compact, easy-to-use format, the Vitamix Immersion Blender is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how this blender can transform your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.